What's up, folks? Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're testing out this GoPro Hero 10. I mean, it came out in December last year, and I was like, alright, when I land my hands on this, I'm finally testing out. And then today I'm with Brian. This is my...
Alright. That's me, Brian.
We're testing it out. I'm going to be clamping it on his bike. It has the HyperSmooth is all the way to the top. Alright, let's see what we got here. We'll be doing the drives around this place. You've seen this place before. If you haven't seen this place, this is where I grew up from. If you haven't been following me, it's high time you subscribe. Brian, tell these people to subscribe.
Yeah, but you guys have to subscribe to this channel, Emma256. Okay? It's got almost everything you need for fitness. Be it workouts, everything.
Alright, let's get on the road and get this thing moving. It's a baby. Let's see if it's worth it in 2022.
There you go.
This is how it looks right up here, and you see that pan? It has a HyperSmooth. The very little shakes. And then the other thing, it picks like good off-camera sound. Pretty much if you didn't have a microphone, this would do you like better. It could help for a meanwhile. And let's see what this thing comes with. So one thing I like about this Hero 10, when you press the record button when the camera has been off, it starts recording right away. And it's fully customizable. You can put in cinematic, it has standard narrow, it has super wide. It's everything you need if you're out in the field. And then it comes with a magnet. If you're driving a car, you can clip this to maybe a car or a motorbike if it has like well good metal. And then it has a little stand. You can mount the camera like up here and then put it down and record whatever you're recording. For changing mode, you just press the mode button. It's right here on the left. Press mode and then you go to photo. It has time lapse, and then it has video. Those are the three settings you have right here. If you want to check when you scroll up from here, hold up a minute. From here we have preview. When you scroll up from down, we have preview, and then you can see the gallery from here. Slide down and see your footage, and then that's the record if you want to take a photo. For taking videos, this is where you press. So this is how you customize. it has this is the recording performance to the maximum, video maximum performance. We have custom, standard, we have activity, cinematic, ultra slow. It goes all the way to 24 frames per second at 4K. And if you want to change that, you can go to maybe 5.3K, 2.7K, 1080, and then you can change the frame settings to whatever you want, maybe 30, 24, 120, 240. Alright, that's it. And then For recording videos, you press this up button, like there's a button, the red button, and pretty much that's it for the Hero 10. If you think it's worth it in 2022, I mean, you can buy it. And then this is the power off button. Okay.